How to fix YouTube that's showing comments 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix YouTube not showing comments 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do this, let's head over to our browser first. So by the way, you can do this on any desktop or device or Android phone or iOS that you have. So head over to your browser and then navigate to m.youtube.com. After that, click on your profile icon right here, and this will direct you to this. So to do that, just need to scroll down until you can see this YouTube studio. So let's head over to our YouTube studio, and then this will go over to studio.youtube.com. Then after that, once you're in the YouTube studio, just click on the settings of your YouTube studio, which is typically found around this on the upper or the lower corner. So just click on the settings, and then this will open our settings. So from in there, just click on this upload defaults, then click on advanced settings, then scroll down until you can see this comments. Make sure that allow all comments is turned on. So just click on allow all comments, and then click on save. After that, click on settings again, then click on community, then from there just click on default, and make sure that this allow all comments is also allowed on your channel right here. So make sure that this is allowed, and after that just click on save here again in order to save it. The next thing that you can do is to head over to your YouTube app. So let's click on our YouTube app right here, then click on our profile icon, and from in there just click on settings and click on general right around here. Then from in there, just scroll down until you can see this restricted mode. Make sure that restricted mode is turned off like this, which is color gray, because if it is blue like this, then it means it is turned on. So make sure to turn that off like this. So if your YouTube is in the restricted mode, then that just means that you won't be able to access or allow comments on your channel. Another thing that you can do is to make sure that your channel is not made for kids, because kids channels or kids videos won't allow them to comment on theirs. So after that, if this still doesn't fix the problem, then what you need to do next is to just click on YouTube and then remove it and then reinstall it after that. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix YouTube not showing comments 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.